In the world of industry, the reliability and support of aging equipment can make all the difference. That's why we've introduced a number of innovative solutions for your aging drives. Among them is EcoFit Replacement for drives. Let me tell you about it in 60 seconds. Our offer is designed to replace the Altivar 61 and 71 drives with our ultimate Altivar drive, ensuring minimal disruption. Replacing your drives with the newest technology provides you with at least another decade of support. Our certified Schneider Electric experts or certified partners will handle the labor, ensuring top-notch expertise and specialized tools. Experience minimum downtime during the replacement while enjoying the familiar technology and performance of Schneider Electric drives. Not only do we provide a new drives matching your old equipment's technical specification, but we also equip you with mechanical adapters, an application conversion tool, plus a 1-year extended warranty service. Upgrade to the latest generation drive to make your industrial processes safer, more reliable, and efficient. And that's EcoFit Replacement for drives in 60 seconds.